Hello, my name is Darren Goff, and I am the Environmental Service Director at Cameron Memorial Community Hospital in Angola, Indiana. I'd like to take a few minutes of your time to discuss what decisions were made when we came to choose UV technology. We had much discussion took place with multiple departments, including infection prevention and administration, that UV disinfection is widely recognized for its effectiveness for disinfection following normal cleaning procedures and its enhanced level of disinfecting is one of the primary reasons for the decision for UV technology. A lot of participants in this, in part, were efforts to improve employee engagement, was involving our staff in the trial and decision on which ultraviolet disinfection machine to bring in. Two were demoed, with ultimately deciding on OhmniClean. One feature that our environmental services team highlighted was a preference due to ease of use and lightweight nature of the equipment. Additionally, training was very easy to understand, and virtually less than 10 minutes you become an expert in the subject matter of operations. In my humble opinion, if any hospital or medical facility were looking into purchasing or trialing UV light disinfection, at the top of my list would be OhmniClean. Working at multiple healthcare facilities, both for profit as well as nonprofit, I can sympathize with the struggles to justify the expense of UV technology. But your return of investment is endless, as it will increase productivity and will give you the confidence to move patients safely and quickly from one location to another, i.e. the emergency department to a med-surg department. But don't just take my word alone. Pick up the phone or email OhmniLabs today and see for yourself. It may just change your whole strategic plan altogether.